Today in the Daily Dose, the Acropolis. Translated as the high city from the Greek, the Acropolis of Athens consists of 4 hills on the Attica plateau of Greece, a high ground landmark that has been occupied by humans for thousands of years, beginning with the ancient Mycenaeans during the Late Bronze Age. Years later, during the 6th century BC, the Athenians built a Doric limestone tribute to the goddess Athena, known as Bluebeard Temple, followed by a second temple dedicated to Artemis Brauronia, the goddess of expectant mothers in Greek mythology. Surviving the Greek Dark Ages from 800 to 480 BC, after invading Persians destroyed Bluebeard Temple, the Athenians began construction on the Old Parthenon until a second attack by the Persians destroyed nearly every structure atop the Acropolis, prompting Athenians to bury all remaining sculptures inside nearby caves. During the Golden Age of Athens from 460 to 430 BC, Athenian ruler Pericles set out to elevate the Acropolis to a new level of splendor never seen before, setting in motion a 50-year construction project under the direction of well-known architects Callicrates and Ectinus, as well as the renowned sculptor Phidias. Construction continued even after the ruler's death, resulting in the Propylaea, or Grand Entryway, the Temple of Athena Nike, the Ionic Temple Erechtheion, the statue of Athena Promachos, and the enormous Doric-style Parthenon. Following the Greek War of Independence in 1822, the Acropolis has witnessed near-perpetual restoration efforts, after years of foreign invaders used the structures as mosques, Christian churches, and munition storage facilities, the later resulting in heavy bombardment and destruction by the Venetians in 1687. Today, some 2.5 million tourists visit the site on an annual basis, making the Acropolis an enduring look back into the storied world of ancient Greece. And there you have it, the Acropolis of Athens. Today in the Daily Dose. Get your nerd on with the Daily Dose. And if you enjoyed today's episode, share the link with a friend or colleague so that they too can learn something new every day.